Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi, Ishel! Happy 18th birthday! We love you so much and God bless you!
Hello, Ishel. How are you, my dear? 18 ka na, be. So, dalaga ka na. First of all, good evening to all of you there. My wish on your 18th birthday is that our Lord will give many more years. Continue with schooling. Continue with your dreams because your mother and your sisters are there to support you. And in your childhood, don't change your attitude towards us when you achieve your dreams. Even if I don't have a gift to give you because you are far away, I hope that you will be happy. With this is my little message. God bless you and I love you, Ishel Lynn Tayo.
Hi there, happy birthday! I hope you ma-enjoy my birthday today. Even though dili ko hapas sa inyong birthday, but I am still hoping for the best. See you soonest, and also thank you so much for being such a good friend. Love you, bye!
Hi, Ishel! Happy 18th birthday! We love you so much!
Ay Ishel, happy 18th birthday to you. Ang wishes ko para sa'yo, mag-aral ka ng mabuti at matupad mo yung dreams mo at marami ka mag-iingat at mapabuhay mo at makinig ka kala tita at tito. At sa ate mo, dahil para di sa ikakabuti mo. Ayan lang. Happy birthday again. I hope na maging masaya ka at mag-enjoy ka. God bless to you. Love you. Mwah. See you tomorrow.
Hi, Shell. Happy birthday. Amping ka, Berme. Ora na. Gulang na ka. Okay? Happy birthday also. Enjoy your day. Maps.
Kang Ishel, happy birthday to you. Wishing you all the best and good health in life. Continue purchasing your dreams. And happy birthday again. I miss you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Ishel. I wish nga tayaan kag maayong panglawas sa Ginoo ug daghan pang maabot sa imong kinabuhi ug magpadayon ka sa pag-school ka. I love you, Ate Ishel. Happy birthday again. Hi, Ate Ishel. Happy 18th birthday. See you soon and I love you.
Hi, Ate Ishel. Happy 18th birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Ate Ishel. Happy birthday. I wish nga tagan kang daghan pang birthday nga maabot sa imong kinabuhi ug magpabilin ang imong kabuotan. Respeto sa mga ginikanan ug magpadayon sa imong mga pangandoyte. Once again, happy birthday, T. I love you. See you soon.
May all your wishes and dreams come true and always find the courage to pursue them. I wish you all the best. Happy 18th birthday, Inday Asia.
Hi, Ate Ishel. Happy 18th birthday. I love you.
Hi, Ishel. How are you? Happy birthday. Parang kailan lang. Birthday ka na. Late-late mo pa nung nakita kita. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, mag-aral ka ng mabuti at matapos mo yung course mo. Kaya na yung mga mag-boyfriend. But anyway, okay lang yan. Inspiration. Huwag lang seryosohin. Mag-aral muna ng tapos at para sa future mo, maabot mo yung mga dreams mo bago ka mag-married. Ayan. Happy birthday, Ishel. Wish ko na lagi kang good health. Always ka magpakabait sa ate mo at saka yun sa mama mo. And always God bless you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ishel. I love you.
Hi, Ate Shell. Happy 18th birthday. Dili na kayo sa elementary. Karon legal age na ka. Sa una, nag-gymon pa kayo ta. Pero karon, yung mga stories, yung mga post sa Facebook. Dalaga na dyan kayo pa. Ate nga ate na dyan kayo pa. Isa wala kayo. Anyways, thankful ko Ate Shell kay may part ka sa akong childhood and nakailan ka and nakapag-band tapos sa mga pila ka years. Mahal to Ate Shell, amping ka na Birmingham. Dagan may gahulat sa imong pagbalik. Good luck sa studies. Happy birthday Osod. Love you.
Birthday siya, more birthdays to come. Pag-amping, dira ko sige, o pagtarong ng eskwela, enjoy sa iyong birthday.
Happy birthday, 18, Ishel. Palangga, di ka na ako kay day. Nga naabot imong birthday day nga. O, ginaot punta nga. Tampos ni kasi mo ang plano day nga. Ay mo kinabuhi. O, kami po day, mo di men kalimtan diri. Apon ka na mo kalimti day, palangga, di ka na mo kay day nga. Karon ni abot imong birthday. O, ginaot punta day nga. Magpadayon ang imuhang karampusan. Mura na day.
I love you, Ishel. I miss you. And see you soon. Miss Tinipe.